Hey everybody, Dustin here from OCD, San Diego's most obsessed detailing and protection company. We are here today to talk about ceramic coatings. We've got a few different packages to be able to help you out, and they're going to go off of strength and longevity. So before we get into those coatings, I want to talk to you a little bit about the preparation for what we do for a coating. These are non-negotiable steps that we found in the last 12 years of doing ceramic coatings that this provides the best outcome and longevity while not skipping steps and wondering what happened. Every single car that comes in, if it's brand new from the factory, out of the body shop, if it was a classic car that got repainted, maybe it's just a semi-used car that you like and you want to get it refurbished. But every single car is going to need a chemical decontamination hand wash. This is going to chemically clean the pores of the paint out, as well as shave off the contaminants that are rough to the touch on top of your vehicle without skipping one or the other. Once we've done that chemical decon and clay bar, we are going to do some paint correction on your vehicle. And it's not because we need to up the bill or any of these things. We have found that in the last years of doing ceramic coatings that obviously getting swirls and defects out of it is something that we want to do for you. But we have found that if we skipped a mechanical cleansing or a polishing step, that we could actually skip a step and have that ceramic coating not bond properly. Because basic maintenance chemicals and waxes and sealants or car washes, spraying something on your car at the very end of it, are getting stronger than ever, sometimes that chemical cleanse doesn't strip that protection off your vehicle, even if it's a basic wax. And so the chemical cleanse, make sure that it's clean so we're not polishing all the stuff on top of your paint when we get there. But it's a 100% known thing for us to be peace of mind that we got all of that protection, waxes and sealants off there with a polisher. Then we know we can have a 100% bond with that ceramic coating rather than wondering what happened down the road. So once we've done all the decon, the clay bar, the paint correction, we're going to wipe it down with some alcohol to make sure that we have all the dust and any polish fling or any of that stuff off the vehicle so it's 100% clean. Then we're going to put the ceramic coating on the paint and the plastics. That's what we include in the base package. We can always talk to you about your wheels with some really strong metal ceramic coating. We can always talk to you about the glass with a glass-specific ceramic coating so that they bond to those substrates a little bit better than just slapping the paint coating on everything on the exterior. We have a couple different packages. They're going to go off of strength first and foremost. That way we know it can last at least that amount of time, but then it's going to go off of some of your warranty terms as well. So I have a 3-year self-healing ceramic coating. This is a little bit different than a standard ceramic coating. It's kind of like if you were to step on quicksand and it like manipulates a little bit and then resets itself. So the heat of the sun can kind of reset this ceramic coating. It's not as crazy as like paint protection film because we're dealing with a thick film to a coating depth. But these self-healing coatings constantly want to reset themselves from like the minor bird poop stains or some little water spots and ocean mist overspray that we see here in San Diego. So it constantly wants to reset itself to look its best. And we found that over a standard ceramic coating just does better for a everyday person that gets a ceramic coating. Not every person can garage keep it and wash it all the time and keep every stain off of it. So we have a nice, strong sacrificial layer that can actually reject some stains over time. And that's why we chose self-healing ceramic coatings a few years back. So getting a little off tangent, but I wanted to describe what we're using and why we're using it. So we've got that 3-year ceramic coating. It's a self-healing ceramic coating backed by a nationwide warranty accepted in all 50 states. If we want to jump up, a little bit stronger protection, maybe you're going to keep your car for a little bit longer. It's got to sit outside, so you need something stronger. We've got our next step up. It's going to be a more concentrated than my 3-year bottle, but it is a single layer self-healing ceramic coating rated at 5 years. And that does come with a 5-year warranty, registered to your VIN number, reflects on Carfax, and is going to give you a legitimate warranty, not a service contract like other companies offer that don't really cover anything. If that 5-year is maybe something that it's the middle ground, maybe you don't think it's strong enough, or maybe you want to keep your car for a little bit longer, that is going to bring us to our 9-year, and it's a 2-layer system. Both of those bottles are going to be more concentrated than my 5 and my 3-year combined. So you are getting a stronger coating. It's going to have that base layer that really chemically bonds permanently to your paint system. The second layer is going to be more of that self-healing factor that rejects stains, wants to reset itself from maybe some tiny minor wash marks and bird poop stains and things like that. So it's a better self-healing coating that can take a little bit more abuse, if you will. So maybe you don't want to keep your car for 9 years, but you want the strongest one that we offer. Some customers look at strength versus time. All of these ceramic coatings are going to get all the preparation that we talked about. They're going to get the install of the coating on the paint and the trim. And then something that's a little bit different about my company here at OCD is that we want to see your car again. We want to get to know you and keep this car as good as possible for years to come. And we believe that comes with education. So we have taken the time to offer anyone that gets a ceramic coating from us a free wash 7 to 14 days after that install. And we do that because we want to check on our quality of install, make sure we didn't have any lackluster spots or some streakiness or high spots, they call them. We want to check on our work, make sure it's up to par. So we offer that to you. We also have that first free wash as an opportunity to educate you. So we can actually give you a demonstration on your own car inside of our shop and show you how we like to wash it, what products we're going to use, what methods we're going to use, and teach you how to do a maintenance wash on your vehicle so that you can go home and do these if you don't want us to be the ones to take care of it. So we're going to really hold your hand to make sure you're educated rather than just saying, best of luck with it out there and you don't have a good experience with your ceramic coating. Maybe you're not one to want to do all of that maintenance on your own. We offer maintenance. So that way we can still be the company to help you with your coating after you bought it from us. So if all of this sounds like a pretty good thing, give me a call. Give me a text to visit the website or come by the shop for your free quote and we'll customize it to your needs and what we need to accomplish for what package we're going to choose. I can't wait to work with you. Come by the shop. We'll get you a quote today.